Today was, for the most part, a good day, but we had some bad news at the end of the day with the new mold we were making. And yeah, we're making an epoxy mold that's super hard and strong. And it's supposed to be something that you'd be able to use over and over again because it's so hard. It doesn't break down, doesn't deform, doesn't move as much. Like the normal resin material can deform up to about 4%, and epoxy is only about half. So we learned a good lesson. We used the tooling gel coat that we have, which is this really slick, smooth surface material that allows you to have a mold and then the actual piece that you're making. And what's nice and slick and smooth, it's so slick and smooth that it separates very easily. So you can make these parts and just, almost not really stamp them out, but you can just make them and then remove them and make another one and remove it, make another one and remove it. The problem with this is that apparently we just learned there is a special tooling gel coat that is just made for epoxy, which is different from the gel coat that is for normal resin. So basically this mold, we're going to try to salvage it to see if we can make it to fix it, but we'd have to take all this gel coat off and then sand this down a little bit, give it a really rough finish, and then get the special material that is the proper tooling gel coat and put it on top and see if we can get it to work. We're not sure if that will do, if it'll look nice, because we have to keep this really slick surface and the right dimensions and everything. So we're going to see if we can do it. It's worth a shot, so it's not a wasted mold. But we're going to now start production of another mold to replace this, but we're going to use the regular resin and the regular tooling gel coat. So that will be fine. We know that's a known process. This was something we thought would work, but it's actually, this material is just coming right off, and this is what needs to be on the surface. And it's a really shiny, slick material, but it's not going to work. So